Hi everyone, Francine here. This is an overview of the Municipal Albergue in Neda. First of all, when you arrive, you have to go all the way to the back and then either call or message the host to get your spot. They only come at once at night, around 8 or 9 p.m. and then they check everybody in and get your money and all of that. This has a couple bathrooms, like ladies and men, with a couple shower stalls, and there's a living room and a dining table to hang out. The kitchen is well equipped, and at the end of the room, the hallway, there is the handicap room and bathroom, and also the laundry with the laundry machine, a sink, and that's where the fridge is. They do have blankets because it's a very cold albergue, so be mindful of that. They also have a light on the whole night, so bring your eye masks. You can support the channel by leaving your like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon. Buen camino! Bye!